Right, last week I was working on this switching power supply's 30 volt 5 amp. It just started, it was really bizarre what it was doing. You couldn't set the voltage, you couldn't do anything with it. So I dismantled it, and during my examination I found that these capacitors that are in parallel were reading 4,000 microfarads. Well, 1,000 microfarad capacitor shouldn't read any more than 2,000. So I took the N-channel MOSFET off. It was reading, it was shorted between the, why does this phone, my phone is not focusing and I apologize. This is an N-channel microfarad, and the drain and the source were shorted. You reverse the leads, it's still shorted, so of course I removed it. And what I couldn't figure out was why are these reading 4,000? But once I removed that, they're back to reading 2,000 microfarads. I got to examining other parts of this particular power board, and this bridge rectifier is not reading right at all. So I'm going to order some of them. There they are right there. That is D as in dog, B as in Bob, 107S. And I'm going to order plenty more of those. Those are real cheap and readily available. And put this thing back together. Shoot, I could buy me a brand new one of these for $50. By the time this is over with, I have $25 in it. But I'm having fun. I had to use hot air to remove it. Also, I had to remove this capacitor. It's a, looks like a 10 microfarad 400 volt capacitor to get to this. These are pretty good, but I don't know. You got to make sure that you clean them out and don't dismantle them. You'll regret it. But every so often set it aside and try to push that excess solder out. Okay, this is the bridge rectifier. Gonna check it. Come to find out, it's totally normal. Okay, it's in the diode mode. Excuse me. That's good. That's good. Put the negative probe on the positive now. The bridge rectifier is fine. I've already checked the capacitor I removed. It's fine. Well, that was a waste of time, y'all. But like I said, that's part of the fun of figuring out what's wrong with a lot of this. Things. It's time consuming, but every time you do it, you learn something. Alright, I don't need a bridge rectifier. I'm going to wait on the N MOSFET, and I'll have a follow-up video on the repair of this.